Okay, so today we're gonna go and do some donuts and burnouts and stuff at a friend's farm. So, don't know how it's gonna go, but I think it'll be a good fun day. Sarah Dale's gonna come as well, so that'll be quite good fun. I don't think she's ever done donuts before, so give that a shot. I've only done some donuts around this house, just up the road there and down that road, so I'm gonna go to this farm and just go crazy until the tires pop. So yeah, let's get to that. I think you're maybe better without the cone.
Yeah. It would look smart if you could get around the cone, like, would it?
Yeah.
Let's stop it again anyway.
Aye, you can stop it there.
Stuart, there's your donut.
Thank you, Sarah. 3 donuts to eat 1 donut. I got all of it in my mouth.
You nailed it. You absolutely nailed it.
Here's your donut, Sarah.
Oh, I don't know if I can do all this in one go.
It's just throttle, dump the clutch, and you have to try turn at the same time. Right, 3, 2, 1, full throttle, go! In your mouth. Fucking hell. Okay, that's just done for today. We were taking people out who own the farm and stuff, and the cards are showing in this one. It's all tires start to come off, and then it was game over when this one popped. So yeah, it was good fun. It lasted for quite a while. We were there for around an hour. So yeah, it was a good day's testing, I would say. Pretty dirty. We got the window back up on the driver's side. Got the handle to work on the driver's side. Got some new lights here, and on the other side we've got some new lights there. They were really cheap from China, and we're still waiting for some wings to come from fiberglass M3 wings. So also got a really good deal from Warren at Revolution Wheels. He does the wheels for my rally car, so he's given me a good deal on 4 wheels for this one. Pretty much similar to the ones we've already got, like them ones there. So gonna be pretty similar. So see how that goes, and then we'll have 8 tires, or 8 wheels, sorry, to put tires on. So that's plenty for drifting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, just like, share, comment, say whatever you want, idiots, whatever. I'm happy. See ya, peace.